What's that noise? What's that noise? What's that noise? Oh, it's a door.
There's doors opening and closing.
What the? Hold up, let me. Got a spooky, scary room in here. The doors are haunted. You know, we might want to start heading back, cause oh my god! Ay ay ay!
I don't
Get that! Point your light at it!
You've got to
Hello? Oh no! Oh, you made it.
I made it. Hello.
We're here.
Sorry.
Yeah. So,
Excuse my language. Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna push. Submerge.
Go, 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 go. Run away
From the Sharknado.
Any of us did.
No,
No,
that
I got
was
stuck in the Taco Bell.
got stuck in Taco.
I wonder what it's like at Taco Bell.
My God. What do you mean?
Where are we going? Where are we going, Chief?
Let's see. Let's go left.
I do.
Is that?
Many noises.
I hate. This is
I'm so fucking scared right now.
You shut up! I'm so fucking scared right now.
What's that?
Oh my god! Where am I? This way. This. We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh guys, help! Oh shit!
Oh my God.
Are you guys still alive? Uh-oh.
Get the camera!
My flashlight's at 8% battery. Guys, we're fucked.
We're good!
Stuff.
I mean, if it was up to me, I would just film myself doing taxes, because that's the real horror, but...
Whoa! This is a horror game, not a hellish like.
Not Hell
actually
Simulator.
in itself.
Guys,
Yeah, exactly. Hi.
we need to film our outro.
Hi!
Oh,
Meg,
yay.
I was ripped limb from limb. I lost 15 pints of blood.
Oh my
I
god.
was killed because well,
wonder if they is a-
Sam
is
was
there
thrown
nothing?
into me.
Oh, Oh no.
Oh my god.
No!
Megan!
Help! Megan. Help! Megan,
You
help!
must be saved. You need to leave and come back.
Hello.
Cause you had a bad night. What?
No.
Oh my god.
Enjoy.
What? Hey.
What? Wait. that looks like it hurts, brother.
Now watch this.
Damn.
What was that noise? What was that noise?
What? Oh.
I heard a
It was
noise.
you singing. Wasn't it?
Oh, that was me. What was that noise?
What is that? What was that? I picked up my microphone. I picked up the mic. It made everything crunchy loud.
Oh my God.
That was me.
Guys, we need monsters. We need monsters now.
We do not need monsters.
Yeah, I need to record it.
Well, if I get attacked, don't miss it.
Okay.
Oh.
Monster. How should I feel?
Hey, I found a spine! Hey, I found a spine!
Yo!
Finally, I
Nice.
can have a backbone. You threw my backbone.
Guys.
What the heck is that?
What is that?
Okay.
Oh,
shit!
what? Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Rude. What's it doing? Sir? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Where did everyone go?
Run up the stairs! Go! Run! Run! Get out of here!
Why is it so zoomed in? Is everyone alive? Hello?
Effie!
Get out of the way. I'll leave. I'll leave.
This is, don't remember how to get out. What was that? Guys! Guys! Guys!
Yeah, I'm right. I'm literally right next to you.
Guys, there was a red light. There was a red flash of something.
A red light.
Do you see it? Do you see it? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh shit, guys! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, we're gonna die! Effie's dead!
Is
Effie's dead!
Effie dead?
It's blocking our way out! It's blocking us!
Where the heck did we go?
I don't... Ah! Oh my god! It's right there! Ah!
What the frick am I supposed to do, mate? What the frick?
Oh shit.
Oh! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! The camera! The fucking camera! Wait, don't press the button.
She got it!
You have that soundboard? Is it you with the soundboard?
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna murder you!
Wait, open the door, open the door.
It has a knife! It has a knife!
Jackson, what is that behind you? What was that? Did you see the thing behind you?
I did